Good morning, welcome back everyone. It's 7:39 right now. It's a whopping 46 degrees, so it's a little bit chilly. I just got some oil for the combine. It was a little low, so we'll just add a few gallons to it. I just got that from the shop. I'm just leaving there now, and then head to the combine, and I'll meet you guys there. Made it to the combine. I'm gonna hop up here now. Try to anyways. Put the oil up there. Keep climbing on up. Gotta put this ladder up here. So I gotta use two hands here. Alright. And just open this door. Then your oils, that yellow cap there, I'll unscrew her. Oh, she's tight. Where could I set you guys? Right here, maybe? Alright. Just getting her unscrewed. That's at the, I don't know if you can see, but the center circle there. So it's a little low, not too bad though, but just gonna add a little bit of oil. Let's stick this down in the hole. You can see it's coming out in there. She's making her way to the engine. Alright, just getting down there now. Alright, should be good. Oops. Now I'm going to stick this back in here and check it one more time just to make sure. I like to screw her all the way in there just so I know it gets to the bottom, and screw it back out. And yeah, perfect. I don't know if you can guys see that, but maybe a gallon and a half would have been like right at that, but 2 gallons is pretty good. I spilled a little oil down there, so I better clean that up. Alright. Call her good. Shut the door. And put the ladder down, and I'll see you guys in the cab. You know what you do with these? Just toss them in the field, forget about them later. Joking, I'll pick that up once I get down there. Alright, so yeah, I'll see you in the cab. Alrighty, good start to the day so far. I just got done dumping on my dad. It's pretty full. Now I'm just Still going at 2.5. It's a little slower this morning, a little rough. The corn's just a little wet, so well, not the corn, but the stalks. Just a little wet, so I'm just taking a little bit slower at it, But yeah, chopping away at her. We got, I don't know, 7 acres left maybe. Try to finish it up before I have to go to school. It's a good morning though. What's up? Waiting on the truck. Dad's still down there. I'm almost full. I don't know, not in the window yet, so I'll finish this round down and then maybe go back on the other one. But in the meantime, gonna get a Twix and things are good. Just look back in the little cubby back there, bag of Twix. So I was like, don't mind if I do. Made it back. Paul is unloading. My dad and Paul switched, so Paul's in there now. But he's unloading into the truck. And then once he gets empty, I'll start dumping in him. I would dump in him right now, but if I dump him now, the scale right in there would get messed up. So I just have to wait and fill him when he gets done. Yeah. Alright, Paul just got empty, so I'm gonna start dumping into him now. We're empty, boys. All right, as you can tell, it's the next day. I didn't have time after full school and football to be able to come back out here and help. So it's the next day. My dad took a video for you guys because I couldn't. So he was just talking about the yield and whatnot. So I'll let you guys watch that right now.
Okay, I gotta get on here and just make a little video quick. This is the Brevant V06Y18Q 106 day. My average is 232, and it's just a monster corn. It's running 17.8 for a moisture, but right now you can see it's 17.1, 17. But this corn is consistently over 250 bushel going all the way across the field. Nothing but dark green. I've got my Legend here marked at 250 bushel at dark green, or anything over 250 bushel. And you can look on the monitor and you can see all of the dark green on that monitor. It's just a monster corn. 310, 270, 272, 293. So yeah, it's a really, really good number. Hopefully this might help somebody out make a decision to pick a number last year or for next year.
So yeah, this corn's doing pretty good. Dad's just over here unloading. We filled up the truck last night. Stan took that right away in the morning, got that dumped, and he just got back. and we're gonna fill him up again, and then he could head out, and then we're gonna start on the combine over there. There's about 3 here. I'll show you guys. Turn around here. There's 3, well, just 1 down and back on the long rows, or maybe 3. I don't know. So 2 or 3, and then we got, it cuts back over and around these trees. It's kind of, it's not too wacky, but not the best. But yeah, there's probably about 70 acres left on this farm. Yep, stands back, and grain cart's full. I'm full, so I'm just gonna go over there when just like last time, when the grain cart gets empty, I'll fill back up the grain cart, and then Stan will be full, and then he can take it. It's not too far of a drive. I'm just right over there, so I'll just come over here so he doesn't have to come back, and just a little bit faster. But yeah, corn's yielding pretty good. 18% moisture, which, you know, it's pretty good. We got my sister's boyfriend's in the grain cart because Paul, he's gone today. So yeah, he's first time. He has some experience on Farming Simulator, but that's about it. Yep, he's getting the hang of it though. He's doing a good job. Let's pick on him a bit, see if he spills any. My dad's in there helping him because it's his first time. But... well, he hasn't spilled any so far. Oh! Oh! Ah, got a little close, but... oh! Oh! Alright, you made it to the hopper. Good for you. Guess you can keep the job. Alright, made it back. I'm just gonna fire it up. Just get her going. Alrighty. A little dusty, but dust will go down. Perfect. See how much corn's coming in the tank. Yep, going good. Got about 30 more minutes, and then I'll have to head to school. So yeah. Feeling good though. 260, 267, 290, 300, 305, 304. Yeah. Corn's doing good this year. Yielding real good. Can't be mad about that stuff. Yep. Alrighty. I had to leave. Gotta go to school. Going home right now to change. And yeah, this is probably the end of the video. I appreciate everyone that stuck around this long and made it to the end. Yeah, I'll be posting another one this weekend of corn harvest. So yeah, just if you want to, you can like it, subscribe if you want. Yeah, see you guys.